You don't need to be a designer to create stunning images. With just your phone and internet, you can generate high-quality AI images for free. In this video, I'll show you 3 free AI websites that can save you time, money, and stress. My name is Rachel Ambrose. Let's get started.
Head over to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT the kind of image you want to create so that it can give you a detailed prompt, okay? So I'm on ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt of a cat working in a restaurant as a chef. Now here is ChatGPT response. It said a cute fluffy cat wearing a tiny chef hat and apron cooking in a bustling restaurant kitchen. The cat is standing on a stool, stirring a pot on the stove. So you just need to read through, and if you are okay with the prompt, the next thing you want to do is to long press, then copy the prompt. Now head over to your browser. On your browser, type VR AI. So click on search. Click on the first option. It's going to bring you here. If you are using this website for the first time, if you want to log in with your Google account, it's fine. But if you don't want to log in, you can still generate image from this website without logging in, okay? So the next thing you want to do is to tap these 3 dots. You are going to see text to image, image to image, image to video, context editor, image tools, other tools. So what we want to do is to tap on text to image. So click on AI text to image generator, then you cancel. Scroll down, you will see generate image from text, so tap on it. So scroll down again. On this box here, just paste the prompt ChatGPT gave to you. This website comes with a lot of ads. Just cancel. Then you're going to see aspect ratio. Click on this option here to select the aspect ratio that you want. So I'm going to select 16:9. If you want it to be 9:16, you can as well select that. So I'm going to go with 16:9. So just scroll up. As you can see, your request is being processed. So just give it a few seconds. Your image will be ready. Can you see that? Our image is ready. So for you to download your image, just click this download button here and it will automatically download to your phone gallery. You can also animate any image in this website. Let me show you how to do it. So click these 3 dots again, go to image to video, then cancel. Click on generate video from image. Tap on upload image, then select the image you just generated. Click on done. See it's processing, so just wait. Yeah, it's done. So scroll down. You will see basic image prompt, camera prompt. So click on camera prompt and write anything you want your image to do. So I'm going to write a cat cooking. So you scroll down and click on generate. So let's go back and wait for it. As you can see, our video is ready. Can you see that? So you can actually generate any image and bring it to this website to animate it for free. I don't know if you understand. So what do you want to do is to click this download button. Let me show you another thing. Click on these 3 dots, tap on image to image, then click on image to image generator. So cancel, then click on generate image from image. Then upload your image. This down part here, you can actually change that image to any image that you like. Let's say change image to a cartoon style. Click on generate. So scroll up and let's check it out. Guys, can you see that? So on this website, you can do so many things. You can turn text to image from this website. You can animate the image you generated from this website. You can turn that image to another image style. I don't know if you understand. So let's continue. The second website is called Bing Image Creator. Now, for you to access this website, just go to your browser and type bing.com/image. Before you can access this, you need to sign up with your Google account. After you signed up with your Google account, you will land here. So just tap on this text here, then cancel. Then paste your prompt. So this DLLE3, if you click on it to generate your image, this generator is going to bring 4 different images for you. So let's click on it. But I don't want 4 images. I just want one with consistent character. So I'm going to click on GPT-4. Aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9, but in Bing Image Creator is 3:2. If you want it to be in portrait, you choose 2:3. So I'm going to go with 3:2. Then click on Done. Then click on Create. Give it a few seconds. Your image will be ready. As you can see, our image is ready. So how do you download it? Just click on the image. It's going to bring you here. So click on the download button. On this same website, you can animate image for free. So how do you do it? Click on video. So you paste your prompt. Click this option to select your aspect ratio. So click on the aspect ratio that you want. The duration of the video is already 5 seconds. So just click on Done. Then click on Create. So can you see that our video is ready, but it did not come out in 3D pixel style. You can see that it came out in hyper realistic. So what do you need to do? So click on the video, then you click on the download button. So the third website we'll be using to generate our image for free is Meta AI. So just go to your browser. On your browser, type Meta AI. So you're going to land here. Click on the first option. If this is your first time using Meta AI, before you can land on this interface, it's going to ask you to sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. After you sign up, it will ask you to create a password. So after you create your password, it will now bring you to this interface. I don't know if you understand. The next thing you want to do is to tap this icon here, then click on Create. Let's wait for it to load. It's going to bring you to another interface. The next thing you want to do is to paste your prompt where it says describe your image. Now click this box here to change your aspect ratio. Click on this send arrow. So scroll up. As you can see, generating 4 images. So let's wait. Our image is ready. So you can select any one of your choice. I don't know if you understand. Let me click on this one. Now, the next thing you want to do is to download your image. So I'm just going to tap on this download button. Download again. And it will automatically download to your phone gallery. And also, you can animate this image here. So if you want to animate your image, you can click on animate or you click on custom animate, any one of the two. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on animate. What you just need to do is to tap on this download button and it will automatically download to your phone gallery. So if you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Richard Ambrose TV, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.